The available 4-corner air ride adaptive suspension offers adjustable ride height and load leveling capabilities and delivers exceptional ride comfort. Press the Ride Height button to display up to 4 different ride heights on the Driver Information Center. Turn the knob left or right to scroll through each mode. Entry/exit ground clearance, to lower the vehicle for easy entry and exit. Normal ground clearance, used for everyday driving. Increased ground clearance, to raise the vehicle 1 inch from normal or after initiating off-road and terrain driver modes. And maximum ground clearance, to raise the vehicle 2 inches from normal while in 4-wheel drive low. Press the Ride Height button or wait for the menu to time out to select. Aero mode also automatically lowers the ride height to help improve aerodynamics when the vehicle exceeds 65 miles per hour for a period of time. Set the vehicle to automatically lower to the entry/exit height when shifting to park by going to Settings, Vehicle, Ride Height, and then Automatic Entry/Egress. Load your Yukon with cargo or attach a trailer, and the self-leveling feature will automatically help keep the vehicle level to enhance comfort and control. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.